for example, in Kyrgyzstan, we have regulation in place, we have infrastructure ready, and what we are still missing compared to SBC, that what just recently was announced, that our central bank is not recognizing asset-backed stable coins yet as a settlement and as a collateral. So maybe for our practices, we need to understand that we need to learn from each other from a different perspective and markets. We have really fast moving regulations in Singapore, in Hong Kong, in Japan, and we see that stable coins are already used in place, and it's we can say it's already have some kind of adoption here. So for stable coin like us, we are looking for more to the markets like Hong Kong regulation, then Japan and MENA region, Turkey, because these regulations really give the opportunity to move for innovative products really fast and forward. And of course, there are a lot of things to be in place, like compliance, mass adoption, and adoption from businesses, because we, as USDKG, we are focusing more now on B2B type of trade. And we also would like to establish this collaboration in this region too.